Penguins are so cute, right? But have you ever wondered what they really get up to when they think no one's watching? Today, we're going on a little adventure to uncover the secret lives of these hilarious birds. So grab your binoculars and let's sneak a peek together. Most people know penguins waddle, but did you know they have a much more fun way to get around? They slide on their bellies. Scientists call this tobogganing, and it's not just for getting from point A to point B, it's their version of a roller coaster. Imagine sliding down snowy hills just for the pure joy of it. Penguins totally do that. It's faster than waddling, saves energy, and looks like an absolute blast. It's like their very own natural water park slide. Penguins are super social creatures, always in big groups, but they also have their quiet, slightly awkward moments when they're alone. You might catch one meticulously preening its feathers, getting every single one just right. Or you might see one playing with little rocks, picking them up and dropping them, almost like they're practicing a game. And my favorite? Some penguins practice their unique mating calls when they think no one can hear them. It's like their own private rehearsal, getting ready for the big performance. Now, let's talk about food. We know they eat fish, but their hunting methods are surprisingly clever. They dive deep, using subtle body movements to communicate with each other underwater, coordinating their attack like a well-trained team. And sometimes, a cheeky penguin might just sneak a fish from a friend. It's all fair game in the penguin world. It's not just stealing. It's a high-stakes game of snack snatching. And what about the baby penguins? Oh, they are the sneakiest of all. You'll see them practicing their own little belly slides on tiny mounds of snow, getting ready for the big slopes. They huddle together for warmth, creating a massive, fluffy group hug. But the cuttest thing is when they peek out from behind their parents' legs, like little spies gathering intel on the world. Every little wiggle and chirp is a mix of adorable and surprisingly strategic. They're constantly learning, exploring, and just being incredibly charming. So the next time you see a penguin just waddling around, remember there's a whole secret world happening right under our noses. A world full of tobogganing adventures, secret rehearsals, clever hunting tricks, and baby spies. They're not just cute, they're full of surprises and personality. If you love this peek behind the scenes into the secret life of penguins, make sure to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing Critter Chronicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.